taking time to make this video to tell y'all that there are many bigger things coming. So make sure you subscribe. One of the biggest things I'm working on right now. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to talk about it because I'm in a non-disclosure agreement. Alright guys, so today we're going to be emptying out this corner so that way we can get started with measurements for the closed-in room we're going to do. I'm also going to take the tractor out and we're going to clear a little bit of vegetation off the back hill for the deck. Alright, that's it. Left that stuff in the corner because it's just going to be in that room anyway. Stay tuned because what we're doing next is we will be framing this all in. Now that we've knocked out the inside, we're going to knock out the outside. Well, did a thing. Cleanup check. Now we got room. And that's not even the best part. I'll throw a picture or a clip in of what it looked like before, but we've got room back here. All cleared in about a day. This back here runs about 30 foot back. And then you've got the creek right there. And what I'll be doing over the winter months is I'm going to build a deck off the back of this shop. It's going to be 40 foot wide, the width of the building. And it's going to come out about 24 foot, I think. Check that out. All cleared, all pretty. Look at this crazy looking boat arch tree. All secluded. Man, I can't wait to get started on this. It's gonna look amazing. Alright guys, so if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. But it's gonna be pretty big. It's not gonna be truck, boat related or shop related. I am making something, but that's about all the farther I can talk about it. So be sure to subscribe.